Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach with you how to make a show and hide password app with the help of JavaScript. So here is a demo. When you will enter the password and you want to display the text, or you can say that convert the password into text, you need to click on that to display the text. If you want to hide that, click on that to hide the text into password. So we will use simple JavaScript code to perform this one operation. So let's get started. The first step, I have opened this one project on the page, and inside this one project I have used a JavaScript Bootstrap file. You can get the Bootstrap file from the Bootstrap official website. Click on that and read more. Click to download, and you will get the css min dot, I'm going to show you, bootstrap .min.css file, and include that on your project. Then I have also include the Google font APIs. You can get this one is from Materialcss. You need to get the write the icon on there, and then you will get this one link and paste on your project, right? So we will use Bootstrap to design the form, and we will use Materialcss to display the icon, right? So let's get started to work on that to make a form. So first of all, container start, container close, write the div container, write the assign the class row, assign the class what call LG6, and I want to display that on the center, so I need to use auto, means margin auto. Inside there I'm going to use card class, empty file means margin top 5, bg dot, right? And also we will use class on the bg right. First set that, now let's see, right? So this is our simple, nothing happened, but don't worry, we will use many simple code that help us to display the some text. So inside this div I will use card title, bg primary, and text white, empty file means magenta 5, and inside there I'm going to use h3, right? And assign the class text center, margin left and bottom 3, show and hide password. First side there, let's see on the page, perfect, as you can see guys. Then we will use the card body class, card body form hash. Inside the form we will create a div, assign the class input group, and margin bottom 3 to make a space the bottom. Then I'm going to create an input type password, class will be form control, and then after that I will create a button, type is button, and then I will assign the class btn primary, right? So inside the I tag, closing and starting button tag, I'm going to use I tag. Inside there I'm going to use material icons to display the icon inside the visibility. This is icon name. First save that, let's see on the page. As you can see, this is a visibility icon has been appeared inside the button, right? And also I will use placeholder password. So you can use this one setting to design the form, right? The very simple form. Then we will use JavaScript to perform the operation, right? So let's get started. Before starting the JavaScript, you need to include the file inside your project. As you can see, JS folder, inside JS I have a main.js file. So you need to get the value from the input text field. So first of all, you need to create a variable let and use the query selector. First you need to assign the value of document.query selector, and then you need to target the class, which class you will use to get the value. So inside the input field, this one, we need to assign the class. After the form control, you can write any name as you want. In my case I use pass, right? First save that, copy this one and paste on there. Once you get the first one value, then you need to get the second one value, vz. This is a variable name, and you can use same thing to get the second one value. Which value? You will use the value on there. You can also assign the value, I mean class, inside the button, but I will use the class inside there. After material icons, I will use visibility. You can write any name as you want. I use VZ. I can do that. Copy this one and paste on there. Once you get the value from the classes, then we will work on another thing, another variable. So you need to make another variable, write any name. I'm going to use show hide, and also we need to assign the value of the default of this variable is true, right? Then we will target this one variable, means when user click on this one icon, then I will perform the operation, right? So you need to copy this one variable, paste on there, and write the dot add event listener, which event you will call on this one icon. I want to call click event. After this one event, I will run this one function, right? Inside this one function, I will call the show. If show hide, I target this one variable. If this value is true, then I will use curly brackets, and I want to call the console.log and assign the value 1. And also inside there we need to call show hide value will be changed into false. The default value is true, but if this will true and display the 1, then I want to display this one value. This one value will be false. And the else statement, you can call console.log 2, and then I call show hide value is true, right? First we need to check that it's working or not, so I call console add event listener line number. Okay, first we need to check that, then it doesn't work, but we need to check the line number 6. Okay, we need to call dot sign to get the value. This is a class, so we need to use dot sign. So first say that, let's see. I think everything is perfect on there. Console, click on that, you will get the one value. Click on that, you will get the second value. Means you will click one time to get the one value. You will click the second time, you will get the second value, right? You can't see the one value many times, right? Means you will click on that to display the password, and you will click on again on the same button, you will hide the value, right? So you can use this one method, but I remove this one, details, and we will use the pass. We target the password variable, this one, dot set attribute. We will convert into type is text, means user will click on the first time on this one button. I want to display the password value into text. I want to convert the password value into text. So you need to use pass variable set attribute type is text, right? And then in the else statement, I call pass dot set attribute type is same password, right? After this one, I just call show hide not equal to show hide, means show hide and also same variable value will not match, right? Just write simple this one code, save. Let's see. Okay, just a minute, I need to refresh that. This is the password, click on that. As you can see, password has been converted into text. I click on that. I can't change that, why? I think we are not equal. Pass set attribute type password, perfect. Just a minute, I need to check that. When I click on the first time, just a minute, I said that, and let's again write 1 2 3. This is default. I click on that to display that, click on again. I can't see anything else. Add event listener, click. Just a minute, I need to check that. Sure. Okay guys, here's the problem right now. I call show hide not, I call not equal to the same value, means the default value of the show hide is true, means I call not equal to true, right? That's it. So let's see this time. I click on that. First I write, just I refresh that again. I click something, click on that. I'm able to see text. I click on again. I'm able to see the password, right? So let's work on another things on there to display and hide the icon. So we're gonna work on the same thing. I call VZ variable that are mentioned on above and call dot inner HTML, and we need to call the value will be visibility. This is the icon name, right? You can write the icon name, as you can see. This will be right. So this is a Materialcss CSS icon name. Then I call this one, copy that and paste on there, and inside there I just use off visibility off, save. Let's check it now. On this time I call something, click on that, password has been appeared, click on that. As you can see, eye has been closed and display the cross icon, as you can see. So this video is all about how to make a simple show and hide password app with the help of JavaScript. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.